How to fix the error code 403 on Roblox. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. In this video, I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can fix the 403 error code on Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First of all, open up your start menu and search for run. Once the run software opens up, you can tap on %app data %. After you search for it, simply tap on OK and then your file explorer will open up. Then you have to go to the app data option and not roaming, and after that go to local. After that, scroll down until you find the option called Roblox. You have to delete that folder that is located over here. Then after you've deleted it, you have to reinstall it again. So go to the Chrome browser and then download the Roblox Windows application. But before you open it, go to the settings application, then go to network and internet option. After that, go to the VPN option and make sure you've toggled all of these options off. After you've toggled off your VPN, go to your Windows security measures, then go to firewall and network protection. After that, select on allow an app through firewall option and make sure that you've enabled Roblox in there. And after that, finally, you can check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. And there you go. That is all of the things you can do in order to fix the 403 error code on Roblox. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please consider supporting us by subscribing to the channel.